Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to new video. So here we have XAMPP server. It is started and this is my website which is not secure. So to make it secure means to give it SSL, you have to search in Google SSL for free, and here you have to click on the first link sslfree.com sslforfree.com, and here you have to type your website domain name and click on create, and then here you must have an account. You can create it for free, and here you have to click on new certificate, and here you have to enter your domain again, and then click on next step, and then this is for premium 1 year certificate, and I'm choosing 90-day certificate, and auto generate CSR. Next step, free $0 per month is selected by default. Next, certificate has been created, so here you have to verify by HTTP file upload. You can verify by other methods, and here you have to create this location on your server. So create this file first on your server root folder. Here I am creating this file. In this file I have to create this file PKI validation. Okay, this file is also created. We have to put the auth file here, download this auth file and move this folder into that PKI validation folder, and then you have created this directory successfully, and here now this location is active. Okay, so now click on next step and then verify your domain. Simple. Congratulations, you are verified, and then you have the certificate to download it in zip file. So click on download certificate, and certificate is downloaded. Now you are done here, and then close browser. Okay, you have the certificate now. Now first you have to go to your downloads folder. Here you have to extract this zip file which you have downloaded. Okay, so now open this folder and you get these 3 files of certificate. Okay, so now create a new folder SSL, and then create another new folder named ssl.key, and then create another new folder which is named ssl.crt. Here you have to move this CA bundles file into SSL folder, and then rename this certificate to server, and then move this file to ssl.crt, and then rename this private file to server, and then move this file into ssl.key, and then you are done. Now let's go to the XAMPP directory, and in it you have to open Apache folder, and here you have to open config folder, and here you have to open extra folder, and here you have to open httpd-ssl.config file. You can open this with notepad, but I am now opening with this my VS Code. Okay, so I have opened this file. So you have to find here virtual host for port 443, virtual host tag for port 443. As you can see, it is here, virtual host default 443. Select from here to virtual host closing tag and backspace these all things, means clear this all things here, remove this all things, and then paste the fresh code which I am giving you for your SSL certificate. You can find this text in our video description. So now here you have to enter your website domain name, and here also, but firstly it is in C drive. To make sure that you are in C drive, let go to here, and as you can see I have installed XAMPP in E drive, so I will enter here E drive. Okay, By default it installs in C drive. Okay, so now move those three files, okay, to the XAMPP server. These certificate files to XAMPP server, Apache folder, config file, and paste it here. Replace. So now the certificate is done in your server. Now close everything. And now your server has SSL certificate. You must have to restart your server again. Okay, now let's check it is working or not. So it is still not secure. Why? Because we forget to put HTTPS before it, and then hit enter, and as you can see this website is secured. So guys, thanks for your time. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.